y'all, here we go. Man, do I have an adventure for you guys. Just got the Webasto diesel heater installed, the coolant heater, so I can warm up the block and not have to cold start it. So right now, that heater is pumping hot coolant into my engine block. Pretty sweet. But we're getting loaded right now. I'm not gonna tell you where we're going just yet, but man, this is gonna be an epic trip here. She's running. All right, I guess I'll tell you where we're going. We're going to Nugget Creek. This is deep into the Alaska wilderness, and it's supposed to be pretty gnarly conditions while we're out there, pretty cold, but should be a good trip. So we're gonna go pick up old Matt right now, and then we're leaving from there super early in the morning. That's our plan. All right, so the Webasto diesel heater just finished its 30-minute cycle, and let's see how easy it starts up now. I haven't started this in a couple days, and it's been about 10 degrees out. Pretty freaking cold. See how she does. Glow plugs, I'll let them go just for 10 seconds maybe. And here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep, that's pretty sweet. My buddy Max gave me his old snow machine track here for traction on my ramp, and I was trying to leave it long, but it just makes it really heavy, and all this extra track just kind of sticks to the ramp when I'm loading it, so I need to fix all that. She's loaded though. Let's get the truck hooked up, and we'll go pick up Matt. All right, we're all hooked up and ready to rally. Let's go get Matt. Heading to Anchorage. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I got a brand new windshield because you guys were asking for one. This camera kept focusing on that crack and blurring out everything, so look at that. Now it stays in focus out there. Pretty cool. That's not good. I plugged in my truck bed trailer, and I don't know if you guys can see in my rear view mirror, my third brake light is on, my upper brake light, and it's constantly staying on like my brakes are on. So something is going on with my trailer wiring that's not allowing the truck to shift into 5th gear. And I know that 3rd brake light is tied to the transmission, the same ground or something. So if that 3rd brake light starts getting funky, then the transmission gets funky. So I gotta figure this out the second I get to town. Might get us into trouble here. Car troubles already, haven't even started the trip. So I disconnected the trailer lights, so basically the lights of the trailer, and now you notice that 3rd brake light is not on unless I hit the brakes. So now my truck's transmission is doing what it's supposed to do and shifting into 5th gear, which is good. But I need to rewire the trailer lights, so I'm gonna do that really quick. You know what's cool about Alaska is a lot of people just leave Christmas lights up kind of year round. They just keep them going. And like I was saying, leaving them going. All right, so I figured out the problem. So I told you guys in there, I've got to rewire the 7-pin connector really quick. So let's do that because we need lights. The brake light is tied to the transmission, so like it shifts all crazy if your brake light's out. Or when I don't know why they do that. It's like the same ground.
Oh
no. All right, y'all, made it up to Matt's cabin, and we're staging here tonight. Leaving first thing in the morning for Nugget Creek. It's gonna be sweet.
Good morning, my friends. It's bright and early, 5:30 in the morning or something, and we're gonna get rolling. Gonna put the bed up and get all packed up, fire the truck up, and we're out of here. We're heading east, I guess, southeast.
It's chilly this morning. This should be interesting. This is the first morning using the Webasto diesel heater. It's the TT Evo coolant heater, and let's see how easy the engine starts now for a cold start. It's still a cold start, but nothing like it was before. Let's give the glow plugs probably 15 seconds here. Oh girl, let's see. Oh yeah. It's happy. So we are waking up really early because we have at least a 6-hour drive, probably longer. Go. This guy bringing a basket. Literally has a basket.
Messing around and I missed the turn. Only when your truck is 900 feet long.
Morning. I might do like a 20-ounce, can't even talk this morning, 20-ounce vanilla latte.
I'll get a 16-ounce Americano with 3 shots.
Anything in it?
Just a little bit of cream, not too much. Yeah, and then are you doing the breakfast sandwiches still?
I am.
I'm gonna get the sausage, egg, and pepper jack on a croissant.
I'm gonna do the same thing.
Okay, so 2 croissants with sausage, egg, and cheddar. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Here's that whisper mode, how you just turned it down and you can crank it back up.
Good truck.
Yeah. Now watch, it's so loud again.
Watch out!
We are leaving Palmer and heading into the woods.
Let's go.
Here goes nothing. What do you think is going to happen this time?
Well, if we make it out there at all, probably something crazy. Probably something crazy.
Yeah, something's happened every time we've gone out here, no joke.
Every time. Same sled that I broke down with out here last time is the one I'm bringing.
Yeah, this guy brought the same sled that stranded us last time. Yeah. Matt, unfortunately, does not have electric start.
Yeah, but I got a Ski-Doo, so.
Well, current situation, Coleman stove. You guys see that? Just trying to warm the block up in this thing. Been cranking on this thing probably 50 times at least already. So we're completely loaded back here. It's being towed out by my sled. Woo! It's a big steep hill. We're having to winch up it. My snow machine can't tow it because it just flips and digs in and it's like icy and anyway. It's a good thing we get this glacier rope and a dog leash. It's 10 miles to go. It's a negative 15 out when we left in the daylight. I'm gonna get a fire started. It's a little bit cold. We made it back to the trucks.
Let me tell you right now.
Just say.
Let me tell you right now, this guy Timmy, hold on. This guy Timmy right here.
What's going on?
This guy's the real deal. For all you doubters out there, first of
Right.
all, those couches fit in that camper. That's real.
You like that?
This guy's the real deal. It's got us out of there. Saved our life.
If you guys look back at the videos from, was it last year?
No, it was like 2 years ago.
Yeah, maybe 2 years ago. We went out to this cabin and it was cold. It was like around negative 25 and we couldn't get a sled started and had to drag it out, tow it out with a snow machine. And the sled, my snow machine couldn't even tow it out in some of the hills. We had to get out and push and winch it and all that stuff. Pretty crazy. I think it's called Stranded in the Wilderness if you guys look that one up. Also, this guy over here, Alaska Cabin Adventures, he's gonna be making some videos of this. You guys go check out his channel.
Yeah, Alaska Cabin Adventures.
There you go.
We'll have a video that's a lot better than this one on my channel.
Yeah,
same trip.
Yeah, check
just
it
a
out.
Better video.
Check it out. Leave a bad
I'm
comment.
just kidding.
All right. Sketchy, icy roads.
Oh, you're in the fucking that sucker, dude.
Yep, that's why you got the super lights.
Up there. A couple of things on the road.
Just keep seeing them.
All right, we need a jug of water.
Oh, you're on gas this time. Diesel. Smash. Smash it up really good. Which one you want? What's good?
There's this panini.
Morning.
I'm gonna get your pastrami and Swiss panini, please.
I might just do the same thing. I'll keep it simple.
Two of those?
Yeah.
Anything to drink?
Might be like a 16-ounce coffee, just a drip.
Okay. Any cream or sugar?
Yeah, do cream sugar in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many sugars did you want?
Probably just one's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. No coffee? Yep.
No, I don't need
Nope. All right.
Do not need any more coffee. Where the fuck did that
Found
coffee cup go?
turd sticks. Fucking delicious.
Did you throw that coffee cup I had out?
Yep. That was crazy. Matt and I were coming down a hill, and the road, as you can see, it was solid ice. There's gravel here. There wasn't gravel where we were coming down. Coming around a corner to the right, and there was a front end loader, basically a big tractor with a huge bucket removing snow. He is blocking the entire road, and we started sliding towards him, and he wasn't paying attention. He had no idea where there's a car coming around the corner. I don't know what he's thinking there. It's pretty nuts. But I just laid on the horn to let him know, like, hey man, I can't stop, we're sliding towards you. And I saw him look up in the front end loader, and he moved just in time. Like, ooh, that was close. We were sliding, but it didn't happen. Anyway, we're getting pretty close. We're about to go through the town of Chitna up here. Well, Chitna Liquor's closed up, no way. For sale. Oh. Well, my drone just decided to go crazy and speed up and lose it and flew into some trees over there, so I'm gonna go find it. We're not there yet, and almost hit a front end loader, and now the drone is, I put it on Find My Drone and it's not working. So it just went nuts. It flew over into these woods over here. Hopefully it's making a beeping sound. It gave like a battery temperature warning and just started freaking out, and that was it. Luckily the snow is not super deep. Freaking crazy. You hear it?
Yeah, I hear it. It's beeping over here in the woods.
Oh yeah, it reconnected to it.
Found it.
No way.
Yep.
No way. No way. Where is it?
It's in here.
Oh. I hear it. It's in the tree branch or something. I hear it beeping. There it is.
Got it?
Don't be messed up, baby. Don't be messed up. Come on. Oh! No way. Oh, just blades.
I got extra blades.
It's not happy. Well, wouldn't turn that off. Freaking crazy. Off to a good start. Right back in business. Right, just crossed the Copper River back there.
While we're out here, why don't we lock them hubs?
Oh yeah, might as well. Ooh, hands are freezing.
I know.
Ooh. Ah, freaking cold out here. Back in the truck. That's crazy. Cannot believe. I can't believe it didn't rip an arm off. That's how my original Mavic was. When it's really cold, it just started acting funky and fly away. Anyway, back in the road. Here we go. Well, we have arrived at our trailhead. We're gonna go about somewhere around 19 miles out here, even deeper into the wilderness. And we'll get about 2 hours of daylight. So we gotta get packed and changed and rolling before it goes dark on us. When we get out there too, there's no warm abode to run into. Hopefully there'll be firewood when we get out there. And if not, we'll have to deal with it when we get there. So that's what's up. So this is the same snow machine that we had to tow out of here last time, believe it or not. Here we are again. You get a new pull cord in that thing?
Yep.
Whew. Whoop. Yeah, barely. Let's see if the old RMK starts now. I don't know how cold it is, but it's pretty freaking cold. That's a good sign. So we're off to somewhat of a good start. This is crazy. It's always crazy coming out here. We're gonna get all packed up here and hit the trail. Matt's towing in a sled so we can just throw our stuff in the back. We also used that toboggan to pull his broken down snow machine, that snow machine, out of here last time with my sled, so hopefully we won't have to do that again. So we do have a cabin that we're going to, but whenever you're doing trips like this, you gotta be prepared to not have heat sources and just be prepared for stuff to go down. It's supposed to be really cold, so this bag's not quite warm enough, but this is 0-degree bag. So we get a sleeping bag and pads and survival stuff in case we don't make it for some reason and have to stop wherever we're at in the woods. Small things like bringing a chainsaw if there's a tree down across the trail, or if you go out there and you're coming back and something's blocking the trail. Snowshoes if you break down. In case the creeks are super frozen and we don't have a great way to melt snow, bring in some water. Just the basics here. All right, this is it, y'all. We're packed up, ready to head out to the spot. Ooh, man, you good? So like I said, we got about 18 miles to go. Looks like we're gonna make it right before dark. Knock on wood, if everything goes well. See what happens. So if you guys look back at my videos, I have a video going out to this cabin out here, out to Nugget Creek, and Matt's sled broke down while we're out here, would not start. You know, it was like -25, and we had to drag it all the way out. It was a pretty crazy trip. And then when we got back, the truck barely started. So we'll see how it goes today. He's on the same sled, like I was saying before. I'm on this old 2003 RMK. This thing's pretty sweet though. It's 700, 151 track, so it's enough to get the job done. Pretty reliable sled. Got some miles though. Where are we at? Just about 3,500 miles. So she's creeping up there. She's still good. In other news, my gas gauge is frozen solid and not working. So even though I have a full tank right now, it's saying I only have less than half a tank. So I have no way to gauge my gas. Might get interesting. So this is the creek that Matt got stuck in last time, or we just had a hard time getting across this. Nice. Woo. Now it's our turn. snow's kind of like iced on the trees, so it's really sticking to them. Oh, crap, crap, crap. We go. You stuck?
Yep.
You're probably gonna hit it.
No, I'm already stuck. I need you to pull.
Well, no. As you guys can tell, it's getting dark, so we've really got to get up there.
Open water.
Oh yeah. There's a lot of trees down.
Pretty bad.
Yep, might almost have to cut this one.
Yeah.
See, if that ski gets... Huh? I think you got it if you can just get your ski over it right there.
Here.
Just don't hit it slope.
Well, there's a big rock right there.
Is there? Hold on 1 sec. Good. Ugh. Oh, shooter broke off. Matty boy, you forgot to help me out. When you drove over it, it broke off the edge of it, so I can't get by it now. Maybe if you like hold that down while I get my ski over. It's worse than it was now though. I knew this was too easy.
Can you back up a little bit?
You got it? Nice. Maybe here I'll like help you
Here,
that down.
if I go through it.
All I'm gonna do is get it over it a little bit. There it goes. Woo! I feel like we're always racing the daylight. Never fails. Oh yeah, boy. We're getting to that cabin. There's a lot of creek crossings though. Like this one.
That was that hill.
It's fine.
Pretty slick coming
Yeah, I
down
remember
it.
to hit it. Nice. Here's the steep hill that we couldn't tow Matt's sled out of last time. Right there.
Huge boulders poking up out of the trail here.
Well, at this point, I'm starting to question whether or not we're going to make it. There are so many down trees, and they're just getting bigger. That's a pretty big one.
I think that's a chainsaw.
I wonder if we can move it. We both just try to pull it over to the side just to save time, maybe. Holy crap, it's a big tree. I don't know if anyone's been in here this year yet, dude.
Been here.
Literally don't think anyone's been in. That daylight went so fast.
Yep.
I think we can move this tree. I think we'll be all right. It's not super crazy. We just get on this end and both pull backwards. 1, 2. That'll save us time over the chainsaw. Well, we got ourselves yet another problem. We're not gonna make it before dark. That is
Man, that's a big tree.
a pretty large tree.
I think we're gonna need to get the chainsaw out.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, there's no choice. We can maybe, I mean, we can't even get around. There's a cliff right there.
Ditch in between. There's not good snow cover.
I'll walk this, but there's like, no one's even been out here yet this year. Sometimes you can find weird little paths through the woods, but this is maybe here. Problem is there's a lot of boulders. This might be a potential get around. It goes back there. Through here, you could run that over. Run this over. Just too tight. There's so many trees. There's just like too many little trees to even squeeze between. They're too small. It's too much of a ditch. Yeah, there's like these ditches. There's these creeks on each side of the road. We're not gonna be able to get through. Like we have to cut this or we can't get through. Come on, baby. Woo. Some of those branches. You can toss those over to me and I'll throw them over here out of the way. Come on.
Come on.
Keep that throttle going once you get it going. Should be warm now.
Of course.
Your choke's not out, is it? You try a half choke too if it keeps dying, maybe that'll get it. Woo. Woo. Nice. I have to cut it just a little bit more. Is it cut all the way free?
Yeah. Here,
I'd just be I bet the branches are frozen to the
the
ground.
branches are just holding us in.
Yep. They're I can see them. They're like we did last time. Jumping free. Whoa. Breaking them off.
Hold on, it's getting hung up on this one.
Oh.
Okay. Yep.
1, 2. Yeah.
Okay.
Woo. There you go. Can't say we didn't do anything for the trail now. Nice. As you guys saw, stuff's getting interesting already. We still got a long ways to go too, so keep pushing. Get packed up and roll on. Well, we got another one. 2 trees. I don't know, maybe we can get around this in the woods. It's getting pretty crazy though. That's a double.
Huh?
We can maybe get around this and the woods are starting to widen up. Let's get a look around. A moose walk around it right here. There we go. Come on, baby. Find our way through here. Maybe right here. And then start cutting back to the right. Right through here, maybe. Come on, baby. Right through here. Come on, do it. Do it. Yeah, we got it. This is it. Yep. Right in my footprints. Right through there. Turning into an epic. Lift up my scratchers. Yeah. You guys ever owned a Polaris snow machine, you know all about the scratchers. I think just this year in 2023, they finally made scratchers you can reverse on. You get you backed up. If you come back to here, you can just, looks like you can get through right there pretty easy. Is this thing hard to back up with a sled?
Yep.
I'll try to walk beside it and just guide it with the red strap, I guess. Nugget crack! Oh no, another tree. We just got going. Hey, you want to go around back here? Yeah. Let me walk it. Whoa, lynx tracks. Gotta be careful because people trap out here, so you don't want to step in a lynx trap, that's for sure. It's getting crazy, man. We're gonna get it though, I swear. Come on, old girl. Get us through. Bust through these alders here. Maybe it's pretty thick. Yep. Whew, it's good. Just follow my tracks. It's getting crazy. Oh, all right, boy. I bet the creek will be all right. Well, this is it. We made it to Nugget Creek. Now we're gonna get across this creek, which is fairly large, probably open. The cabin's in the other side, but ooh, rocks. Oh man. Look at all that firewood too.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna split it all, but we're set. Woo! I knew something.
Always something.
That's never easy. Man, look at all the game tracks around here.
Insane.
Show you guys, we just rolled up to the cabin. We haven't walked around yet. Look at all these animal tracks. Literally everywhere. Ermine, marmot, moose, lynx. Looks like snowshoe hare right there hopping. Little voles right there. Crazy. Oh, they upgraded the windows. It's like pretty bear proof. Well, we're gonna start getting everything unloaded and prepped, get this cabin warmed up, and share some stories later about why this place, why we keep coming back. In other news, that tree got me pretty good. Like literally losing all my down. It's a big rip.
All right. Oh, nice. There's a splitting wall. Yep.
That screen door wasn't here last time. Nice.
We made it.
Nice, man.
Nugget Creek.
This thing actually is in super good shape. It's all clean. Look at that. Someone stuck the kindling over there. The Coleman stove.
Propane lantern.
Goggles and gloves, probably. Oh, sport jacket. Cannot believe that rip. Trying to lose my down. It's like the only way to stay warm. Hope there's some duct tape. That's a big old rip. Had an entire gallon jug of water explode inside of the bag. Entire gallon. My stuff is soaked. Off to a good start here. That's crazy. Can't believe that exploded. Wish everyone would stock the cabin like that. When it was
Choke. Okay, so high is all the way out, low is all the way in.
We're in business. Whew. Got all my stuff out. So I just dumped about half a gallon of water out of that bag. All my tools and stuff over here and ropes.
Is it still leaking?
Oh no. No, I dumped it outside, but I'll just have to dry everything out tonight. Good thing we'll get an extra thing of water. Well guys, it feels really good to be here. Literally. Absolutely ripping fire going right now. And shouldn't take this place too long to warm up. I have to throw another log in there in a second. It's freaking ripping. Or if you could almost just throw the rounds on, they're pretty small too.
Yeah.
Oh man.
This mall sucks.
Yep, that looks pretty bad. These rounds are small enough just to throw on too. Right now, the stars are out. Looks like the northern lights are even gonna try to peek out here. Maybe we'll get lucky tonight. It's supposed to start snowing really hard tomorrow, so we'll see, but starting to see a little bit of color over there over the hill. Right now, my red jacket is unusable. It's gonna lose all the down if I start running around. So I'm gonna try to pull out some. We get a first aid kit with some medical tape, so I'm gonna see if I can't patch it with some medical tape. Well, unfortunately, the wood that's on the porch is pretty wet and it's so knotted you can't really split it. We're gonna give it another go here because if we can't get this fire running proper, we're in big trouble. This is the only way to heat this place. And you guys saw how deep out we are. So. Yeah, there we go. Oh, just something. There you go.
Still ASAP.
Yep. Get on another one first. Whacked one side off of it. Let's see if I'm swinging them all. There you go. There you go.
Okay, that's good.
Let's get us going.
Yeah.
One more just in case. One for the morning. that went.
That's the worst mall I've ever seen.
Yeah. It is. Oh, it's crazy dull. It's like a spoon. I also can't see. We need like an overhead light. It's pretty bad mall though.
We'll do more tomorrow.
They had a different one out here. The last time it was like all black handle.
All right, it's time for a beer.
Yeah, sounds good to me.
Cheers. Yeah, man. We did it. We're back. We're only halfway. Now we're committed. Now something's gonna go wrong.
Well, something didn't go wrong already.
No, it didn't.
That was almost smooth. I mean, what happened? Like,
Okay, so the
first the trailer lights and the transmission weren't working.
Yeah, well, we almost fucking smashed into a front loader.
Yeah, we came around the corner sliding and then the front loader's blocking the road.
That was almost bad.
Then I wrecked the drone into the
Then
tree.
you lost your drone.
Fired it up. Trail wasn't that bad though. It was just like no snow yet, you know. You can almost take a four-wheeler.
There was some rocks, down trees. Really, all in all, I mean, not too bad.
Definitely don't think anyone's been out here for a while. I don't think you can go around those with a four-wheeler right now. You get stuck. We're off in that snow in the woods.
Yeah. No, we're the first ones out for sure. I thought it was a like ATV thing, but that's just the way the trail's shaped. It's just ruts in the road.
Oh yeah, yeah. There's huge mud ruts in the road.
Yeah, we're the first ones out. I'm like, I had to put money on it.
Yep.
Guy must not be running his trap line this year. Either that or he's only running
he
to
was
that
for a while.
turnaround spot.
Yeah, I was about to say, you could see where he went to that one log and cut it and then just gave up after that. It's like you just get tired of going. I didn't see any traps or anything set.
I don't see any tape, but there's some good tools to know about. A mallet under there and a big hammer.
I'm gonna dry all this stuff out. The water got all up in the first aid kit too. Soak the band-aids and the tape so I can't tape my jacket up. We're willing. Tonight, that's what we're doing. You guys ever had these? These are like probably the best thing Mountain House makes, in my opinion. Right next to the biscuits and gravy.
Guess you want more than less is the trick.
Yep.
Oop.
Might be.
Added too much water for sure.
See if we can't repair this massive rip in my down jacket. If you guys haven't noticed, I've got patches all over this jacket. It's pretty prone to tearing, especially when you're ripping through the woods. Just like new. You guys want to see all the patches? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Big one. 8, 9, 10. That one's shaped like an octopus. That's the right side of the jacket. The left side, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's like a giant band-aid. I feel like there's a big one on the back. Yep. 16, 17, 18, 19. There we go. 20, 21. Got 21 holes in my jacket. It's crazy. All right, this fire's looking pretty good right now. Snowshoe.